Linefollower robot is an automated vehicle that follows a visual line embedded on the surface. Okay, let's do this project step by step. The required components are given below. At the heart of this project is the Arduino Nano, serving as the central control unit. Supporting this intricate system is the motor driver, responsible for translating commands from the Arduino Nano into precise movements of the motors. Let's start by laying out the circuit diagram. Next, connect the robot wheels to the gear motors. Calibrate the sensors. Now it's time to see how it performs.